In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-approve membership in your school group. Whether you're looking to streamline your community management process or simply make it easier for new members to join, learning how to set up auto-approve for memberships can be a real game changer. Let's dive in and walk through the steps you'll need to get this all set up. First things first, you're going to want to log into your Skool account. You probably already have this bookmarked in your browser, but if not, just head over to the Skool website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all the communities you belong to or manage are listed. Go ahead and select the community that you manage, the one where you want to set up this auto-approve feature. Click on the community name to open its main page. Once you're inside your community, look for the settings option. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the page, possibly in a sidebar menu. You'll click there to access various configuration options for your community. Within the settings section, you'll find several tabs dedicated to different features and functionalities. Focus on the Plugins tab, which should be among these options. Go ahead and click on this tab to open it. The Plugins tab is essentially where all the additional, customizable features for your community live. It's kind of like a control room where you can turn features on and off depending on what you want to use. Next, you'll see an option to edit under the Plugins section. Clicking here will allow you to access and manage the specific plugin settings for your community. Once you're in the edit mode, look for the option labeled Instant Membership Approval. This is the feature we're going to focus on to enable automatic approval for new members. You'll see a toggle switch next to Instant Membership Approval. By default, it may be set to off, which means you'll still need to manually approve new members as they request to join. What we want to do is to switch this toggle to the on position. This will activate the auto-approve feature, allowing new members to join without needing your manual approval or intervention. It is a simple switch, but it makes a world of difference in managing your community more efficiently. Now that you've toggled the auto-approve feature to on, don't forget the important step of saving your changes. This is crucial because if you navigate away from this page without saving, your changes won't take effect. You'll usually find the Save button either at the top or the bottom of your settings page. Go ahead and click Save to ensure your new settings are applied. And there you have it. Your community is now set up to automatically approve new membership requests, making your community management a lot smoother. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes your school group more enjoyable and less time-consuming to manage.